Hi there, welcome to My Hobby Prison. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're not going to, I'm going to talk about my tripod I picked up there at the Walmart. And it's not going to be a comparison video per se because I don't really have anything to compare it to except for my old tripod, which isn't really even the same kind of a tripod. So there's really no comparison. What my objective, what I like to do is just give you my impressions of it and let you know if you should buy it. First off, it's really plasticky. There's metal in it, obviously, but a lot of it's really plasticky. And you know what? If you need a tripod and you're pushing your cart around the electronics section in Walmart, and you look at that tripod and you say, I wonder if that tripod's any good. Well, I'm gonna let you know if it is, and I think it is. But I'll show you some things on it, and for the money, it's right there. You don't have to order it. You just pick it up. I think it's a good deal. I think it's a good tripod. And like I say, this is a different type of video for me. So if you have suggestions on how I could do it better, put it in the comments. I mean, I'm just here. I'm just here doing stuff and trying to be helpful and informative. I like the tripod a lot. I actually used my old tripod recently because the downfall of this tripod, you can't get low with it. And that other tripod that I have, I could at least get low on it. And so I think I was too hard on that other one. But for stability, for versatility, I like this new on a lot. Hope you like the video.
I'm going to highly recommend this tripod. This is the first time I really used it on a entire video. It worked out really well. The things I don't like about it, it's got a really wide stance. And if you look right here, well, let's see. Even if you tighten it, I've tightened this up a lot. It'll still, it's got a little tiny movement on it that you'll notice when you put your phone in there for videoing. But dang, so much better, so much nicer, so much more stable than that three-legged. Well, I'll show you which one I was using before. This is the one I was using before, and I got a lot of complaints about it. This thing, you can't really tighten that down. It's going to do that. Look at that movement on there, the bottom. I mean, I don't even remember what it was. It wasn't very much. I'll try to find. I bought it on Amazon. I'll try to find how much I paid for it and put it in the description. I've shot over 40 videos with it. Was it okay? If it was okay, I probably wouldn't have tried to find something new. The good thing about this one is you can really drop it down. You can make it pretty low. It still wasn't 17, 18 inches off the ground. It still wasn't low enough really to get in a lot of low spots. So for the few bucks that it was, did it serve its purpose? Yes. Was it lacking in a lot of areas? Yes. This one, for 30 bucks, really? It's outstanding. The drawbacks are a wide stance, and you can't drop it down that low. The lowest it'll go is from the bottom, from the surface, you're looking at 27, 28 inches roughly. So it doesn't go that low. But other than the wide stance and it won't drop down, man, it's a lot more stable. It's got a lot more functions, and it wasn't that much money, so.
Oh boy, that video ended quick, didn't it? I don't know what happened to my last video, my ending video for it. Well, I guess we'll just call it final thoughts. I like that tripod. I think you should buy one if you need one, obviously. And if you're wheeling around Walmart, look down there in the electronics and I wonder if that tripod's any good. You know what? Now you know. It's good. It's decent. Anyway, I want to thank you all for tuning into My Hobby Prison. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.